Today we will discuss some top 5 IELTS speaking tips. The first one is speak some English every day. Well, it is better to practice a little bit every day and improve your skills gradually than to speak your native language all week until you have IELTS class. The second one is ask the examiner question if you don't understand. Your IELTS speaking test is meant to be like a normal conversation between two people. Therefore, if you don't understand a word, you can ask them to explain what it means. Just say, "I'm sorry, could you explain what X means?" You can also ask them to repeat the question. However, you can't ask the examiner to explain the whole sentence. The third tip is do a 24-hour English warm-up. It takes most IELTS students 10 to 15 minutes to warm up and to perform the best of their ability on the test day. Just like an athlete needs to warm up before a sporting event, you also need to warm up before your IELTS exam. Therefore, you should speak, write, read, and listen to English for 24 hours before your IELTS speaking test. Well, your family and friends might think you're crazy, but it will make a huge difference to your score. The fourth one is give full answers. Yes and no are not satisfactory answers in your IELTS speaking test. You need to show the examiner how good your English is. If you give very short answers, there is no way the examiner can know how good you are. Therefore, you should try to extend your answers and explanations with examples. The last one is correct your mistakes. People make small mistakes when they speak all the time, especially when they are nervous in an exam. By correcting your mistakes as you make them, you can show the examiner that you really do know your grammar and vocabulary. When you make a small mistake, simply say sorry and repeat the sentence correctly. Thank you so much for watching the video.